Hey everyone, this is Sticks. I'm just gonna go over the trade that I did on 2/25/2019. I'm actually recording this the day after, the day after I closed it, which is 2/26/2019. Total profits for that trade was only 96 bucks. It was a swing trade that I took on the 20th, as you can see here. The stock ticker was LULU. um, yeah, 2/20/2019. I got my buy signal at 149. I entered at 149.40. Unfortunately, it was not the bottom. As you can see, it dipped more. It went down all the way up to 147.05, I think. Yeah, 147.03, 147.05. That dip right here would have netted, if I would have caught it at the bottom, it would have netted me another 130 bucks or something like that. Anyhow, so my exit came in here. I got my exit signal, my sell signal, and I took it, and it was right on point because then it started dipping some more. It actually ended up closing below where the previous day it closed. I got out at 150.7. As you can see, 150.7 was about right here. It actually went up almost another $1. So if I would have cut the top, I could have had a potential of maybe like 300 bucks or something. Well, overall, it was almost a perfect play. It was just the problem was my entry wasn't on point. It was $2 off, which is quite large. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. So I exited on this candle, 150.7, and it went up all the way up to 151.52. So I should have caught it about right here. The sell signal actually came in on this candle, probably because of a gap up. It may have gave it more strength than usual, and it popped up right here, but it was so strong I went ahead and held it. I saw this forming, which in my mind it showed weakness, and it was kind of true. But then the following candle was just a nice big solid green candle. But yeah, so I went ahead and sold here, and that's it. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. For Twitter is @SticksTrades. Instagram is Sticks_trades. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going to be making some beginner videos. Basically like how to become a day trader, that sort of stuff. How to, what's a trend line, how to draw trend lines, how to set up your TOS or whatever trades station you're using or whatever platform you're using. They're going to be very basic, very short videos, but I think they're going to provide a lot of information, a lot of value for people trying to learn how to start investing and how to start day trading. All right, that's it. You guys have a good one.